Here I have VIVO Y83 and let me show you how to use here secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the following secret code: *pound 3646633 #*. In order to open this engineer mode, you need to have developer mode activated. You can check out how to do it on our other videos. So that's it. This is the engineer mode. Here you can use the telephony section. You can check out also connectivity such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. You can test here the hardware features. You may see location, log and debugging, and others. So that's it. Everything went well. Now you can go back and let's go to the next trick, to the next secret code. Let me open the phone info. Let's use this code *pound 4838 #*. The following menu pops up. Here you can open phone information, when you can get access to IMEI number, current network, voice service. Here you can also run a ping test or use more key in order to view contacts in SIM cards, activate data network connection, and use other stuff. Let's go back. Here you can also open user statistics. Here you've got the list of all apps from your device and you can read last time used or usage time. You can also here open Wi-Fi information. Here you can select Wi-Fi API. So here you may disable network, disconnect network, enable network, or get connection info. You can also here open Wi-Fi config and see configured networks from your device. So here you can also select the Wi-Fi status and refresh all stats or run a ping test. That's it. Let's go back. Now let me open the another testing menu. Let's use this code *pound 4636 #*, and this is also the testing menu, the engineering test. Here you can open the battery test. So here you can check out the battery temperature, charger voltage, the battery type, and other stuff. Let's go back. Now it's time to open the calendar info, so you need to use the following code. Let's use *pound 225 #*, and the calendar info just pops up. So that's it. Let's go back. Let's open right now the Google Play service. So let's use here *pound 426 #*, and as you can see, Google Play service just pops up. Here you can choose ping, connect, disconnect, or events. Let's open IMEI mode right now. So let's use here *pound 06 #, and as you can see, IMEI just pops up. Tap OK to confirm it. And let's now use advanced IMEI mode. So let's use here *pound 09 #, and the following mode with barcodes pops up. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.